Hey, I think we are now live streaming to Facebook here. And in this video today, we're going to go ahead and build out a storefront funnel, or at least attempt to. A little nervous about this one. There's probably going to be some CSS and JavaScript that I got to install, and I only have about an hour right now. So if I don't finish it live here on this stream, I'll finish it later and then add it as a proper shared funnel on crazymarketing.com/FBW for Funnel Builder Wednesdays. So go ahead and check that out. If anybody shows up and has questions, that would be awesome. Feel free to ask away. And I'm just going to get started building. So I'm going to use this page right here. It's a Shopify store. And I'm going to use it as inspiration for the storefront I'm going to try and build in ClickFunnels. So this is what we're going after. We're going to see what we can come up with. So let's go into ClickFunnels and build a funnel here. And classic funnel builder, and let's see, I'm just going to do sell product, sales funnel, and this will be FBW for Funnel Builder Wednesdays, storefront funnel, FBW, build funnel. Just going to delete out these pages here real quick and just leave us with the order form page. So this is just going to be like a one-page funnel essentially. And then you could, of course, connect this page to any of your funnels that you've built out elsewhere. Select a template. And let's go ahead and get started. So of course, I'm going to delete everything off of this page. So we're starting with a blank slate. Let's go ahead and make our background white. And let's save it. And I gotta set my SEO data, FBW, storefront funnel. Cool. Crazy eye marketing. Save. Awesome. Alright, so should I put this? So we got a section up here. I'm just basically going to copy this page. I'm not going to steal their images. I got some free images that I'll use here. And yeah, let's just see what we can come up with in this hour here. See what colors they're using. F6, F6. I think that sounds right. Background color, F6, F6. Let's make it small and tight. That's what it looks like they got going on. Bespoke tailoring since 1904. Bespoke sounds like an elegant word. Let's see. What type of font they're using? Helvetica New. Settings, typography. See if we got Helvetica in here. Helvetica. We don't have Helvetica in here. What do we got? Let's see, Arial. We'll go with the good old-fashioned Arial font. We gotta have Arial in here, right? ClickFunnels. Arial. There's no Arial here either. And what is going on? All right, let's just pick one then. We'll go with this setup right here. This looks elegant. And link color. What we got? We'll go with this cool red. Cool, man. Okay. Save. Add new row. We can do a one-column row here. Add new element. Do our headline element. And Well, they got bespoke tailoring since 1904. Yeah, sure, why not? And let's go ahead and shrink up our padding. Cool. All right, now we got their logo section. So let's add that in there, new section, go full width. What color we got here? Looks white. Yeah, I think it's white. And we got a few things, search bar. So ClickFunnels doesn't have a search function, unfortunately. And then there's this account stuff. So we could do like a little menu over there if we wanted to. I'm just going to do a 3-column row. So somebody could customize it however they see fit. Let's add a logo first. Logo. Crazy Eye Marketing. Cool. Logo. And I'll put a My Account option over there. Let's see here. Change these paddings around a little bit. Add new element. Looking for navigation. Navigation. And all right. Let me edit you. There we go, finally. Okay. 2 links. We'll align right it. Normal. Add some margin to the top. We'll just do login. And what else do they got over here? Cart. Now not Shopify. ClickFunnels doesn't have a cart feature. So I'm just doing this just to kind of mimic what they got going on. Okay. And actually, let me change my link colors. I'll do my Crazy Eye Marketing orange. Okay, cool. There we go. Now we got another navigation menu. It's in a 1-column row. Come on, let me select a row. Nope. Okay. So do it like this. Boom. Another navigation menu. I'll just clone you. Pull it in here. And no margin. We'll center you. This one's nice and bold. A few links. Bold. Change the padding of our row. My font size. There we go. And what do we got? Collection. Now, drop-down menu. I do think there is some JavaScript and CSS to make a drop-down menu within ClickFunnels. I'd have to Google it and everything. So this could actually be possible. But for the time being, I'm just going to do collection, blog, contact features. Collection, blog, contact features. Sweet. All right, now I got this big old guy in a suit looking all fancy like. So let's go ahead and add ourselves a guy in a suit looking all fancy like. Change the bottom padding here. All right, let's see. Let's find us a guy in a suit looking all fancy. Oh, this guy looks cool. Put you on the desktop. FBW Storefront. Splash. Now these images from Storyblocks. So Storyblocks is like a royalty-free website. It's like 120 bucks, and there's like 100,000 images you can choose from. So if you're ever in need of royalty-free images, I recommend checking out Storyblocks. They did have a Black Friday sale. I know Black Friday's over now, but it was a really good deal actually, I thought. So there, got my dude in a suit. But anyway, what I was going to say is the images are ginormous. So let me go ahead and actually shrink it down a little bit. Image size 1920 by 1280. Cool. And actually, let me cut this down. Splash. FBW Storefront Splash. That sounds good. All right, so let's go ahead and set this as the section background image. FBW Storefront Splash. Add my image. Awesome, check that out. All right, I need to add some either margin or padding. All right, so how big is this image now? Image size. We're at 1128. And I'm gonna get the ID of this section. Do some custom CSS. Height 1128 pixels. Something's in my eye. All right, save. So there we go. It's starting to come together, right? Let's preview it. Boom, look at this guy wearing his suit. It's all fancy like. I'm going to move this up actually. Just noticed it looked a little funky. Keep that in the top right hand corner. Okay, so on our example, it says suits redefined, new styles in stock now, start shopping. So we got some stuff going on. Let's go ahead and make it happen. So let's do, I'm going to do a 2-column row. And I'm going to do, push it down, I don't know, 500. And yeah, their button and stuff's over on the left hand side, but I'm going to put it on the right hand side because I'm a rebel. Alright, so suits redefined. I'm not actually sure how this will look on mobile, so that's something to check too. Suits redefined. I can't spell. Redefined. Oh man. Defined. Same thing, right? Suits redefined. New styles in stock now. Actually, let's put you left align. Put you also left align. You're not bold and you're smaller. Actually, you're bigger. Let's make you bigger. Suits redefined. Okay. New styles in stock now. Tight. New styles in stock now. Okay. Now we got a button here. Let's go ahead and add us a button. Button. And what do they got? White button. Let's move it up. Let's see. I want to. White button. We got our text color. Go with black. Let's think. Full width. Click here to sign up. Start shopping. Their button's smaller. Whatever. Start shopping. Cool. We could link that button to somewhere on our store. This is looking good, yo. I don't know what it'll look like on mobile though. So on mobile, it might take a little bit of fendangling, and I'll probably mess with it off screen here, but we will get to that point later on. Let's just get it looking good on desktop here. So we got our logo here. Now we got a 3-column row, and we got some images with some dudes and links. Okay. So new section. Go full width. Add a new row. We got a 3-column row because we got dudes smoking pipes and stuff. And so we got, I don't know, guy smoking. Let's find us some guy smoking photos. Guy smoking. Alright, so this is cool. Cool, man. Guy smoking. So save you. Save you. And save, I don't know. Guess this one. So we got 3 photos of guys smoking. And I'm just going to make them all the same size. Image. We'll go with 500 width. Oh, and we'll go 500 height. Oops. 500 height. Image. Now there's probably an easier way to do this. I'm not a Photoshop professional by any stretch of the imagination, but I'll do what I can with what I got. Image size, height 500. So we'll do file new 500 by 500, create. Now I'm going to drag this over here. Or maybe I'm not. Alright, we'll start this side. Oh, come on, what the heck, man? Okay. Another course of action. We'll do 1-to-1 square since it's 500. Boom. Okay. Guy smoking 1. Guy smoking 2. Now, got guy smoking 3. Guy smoking 3. Okay. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and add these guys smoking images in here. Actually, that's the wrong way to do it. So what I need to do is go ahead and create columns or background images of these columns, because as you see in this example here, there's text over the image. So this has to be a background image. At least that's the way that I know how to do it. So let's go ahead and do it that way. Add our column. There we go. First column. Background image. Let's go ahead and upload guy smoking number 1. Add image. And let's see. Oh, row. See if this works properly. Actually, not sure if it will. Height 500 pixels. So that's not actually working like I was hoping it would. Okay, we'll go with what we got. Might need to edit it in post recording, but we can get the gist of things going on here. Now we need some text. Text. Suits redefined. What do they say here? Bespoke tailoring. Find out more. I don't even know what bespoke means. Bespoke tailoring. Now I might be ignorant though. Find out more. Alright, so this it's got to be smaller. We'll make it not bold. We'll center it. We're actually going to add some background color to it. Black. 30 probably. Sure. Bespoke tailoring. Background. Black. 30%. Center U. Add some margin. Oh, that sucks. Let me think. Columns. Padding. There we go. That looks good. Padding 60. 60. Cool. We're kind of there, right? I think we're kind of there. I don't need. All right. Now we gotta do the same thing over here. So columns, second column, guy smoking, image 2. Add image, duplicate U, duplicate U, columns, and what was it, 60 I think, 60, 60, yeah buddy, outerwear, where, okay, bespoke tailoring and outerwear. Find out more. Spoke tailoring. Find out more. Just a matter of playing with these sizes, right? 28 by, I don't know, 18. 28 by 18. Go with that. 28 by 18. Oops. Now columns. Let's do the padding again. Let's bump it to 100. 100, baby. Columns. Padding. 100. Woo woo. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. All right. One more time. Columns. And background image. And find my image. Guy smoking number 3. Hey, it seems like somebody's watching the video. Hey, whoever you are, you want to talk to me, by all means, post a message, and I will talk back to you. Drag you up in here. Clone you. Drag you up in here. And let's see what we got. Express delivery. Oh, that's cool. Express delivery. And we got to add our padding to our column. 100, 100. Oh yeah. All right, so we got our 3-column row. Now we got what's trending. So let's create a new section. Oh, hey James, how's it going? Yeah, I try and start them at 11 o'clock on Wednesdays, and sometimes I'm a little later, and sometimes, well, this is the second time I'm on time. The first time I was a little late, so I'm trying to get consistent on this. Oops. Now, add a new row. Oh, come on, ClickFunnels. There we go. Put you in here. Gotta make you a readable font. Go with black. What's trending? What's trending? Trending. Okay. Now we gotta get rid of some of this padding and margin stuff because it's ridiculous. It's trending. Get rid of you a little more. Cool. Font size, shrink it a little bit. It's trending. And then they got a little bar underneath. Let's see if we can do something with that. Woo! Stroking out there, seizuring out. Okay. Elements. Add element. There's a divider. Wondering if this will work for our intense width. 10%. Hey, that might work actually. Center. Oh yeah, that looks good. 5. 3. Make it a nice light gray. Cool. That looks nice. And then we got a 4-column row with some products in it. Come up here, add row. Yeah, the images I'm using here are just random stock images. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm basically copying this storefront funnel that Shopify has on one of their themes, and the images that I'm using are just random stock images that I got from Storyblocks, which is a stock image website. It's like $100 for a year, or maybe $200 for a year, but they got like 100,000 different images on here, and so it's a good deal. And yeah, so I'm not actually like selling anything with this funnel. They're just, yeah, stock images, placeholder images. All right, so I got to add my row, 4 columns, drop, make you and so we just got some clothing articles here. Let's see if we got any t-shirt, t-shirt. Alright, so this will work for our intents and purposes. Maybe I could use this one actually. Yeah, we'll just go some cool looking designs. Guess we could print these on some t-shirts. Let me do this one. Shirt. Open monkey shirt. Would you link the images to one or separate funnels? Yeah, so basically I would link the clothing images. So I got this shirt, so I'd link to this shirt's funnel, this shirt to this shirt's funnel, this shirt to this shirt's funnel, and these shoes to the shoe funnel. So I'd have them, like, basically I'd have this storefront, and each product within the storefront would link to a particular micro sales funnel that sells that particular product. So does that answer your question, hopefully? All right, let me make this a little smaller. Image size. Looks good. Shirt 1. Cool. So add element, image. Add the image. And I need to add like another section or something so I can scroll down a little more. Okay. So now I got a little more breathing room here. So just for simplicity's sake, so I do want to illustrate that these are different products, right? Let's do something. Adjustments. Levels. I don't know what to do in here. So this will be shirt 1, 2, 3. And I mean, we could find a pair of shoes or whatever. Shoes. Trying to think. Number 1. Look at that. There's my bright idea. Shirt 1. ClickFunnels gets funky with names, so shirt 1 version 2. 2. Oops. Shirt 2. Shirt 3. shoes. Yeah, these actually look like the shoes they're advertising on that website. Shoes. Sure. Image size 543. Image size 43. And just for expedient sake. Oops. All right. Okay, finally. Shoes. All right, here we go. Back to the funnel. So yeah, these are all different products and funnels for each product. Shirt 1. Add image. Shirt 2. Actually, let me just upload all the images real quick. So 2. 3. Duplicate and put you right here. Shoes. Yeah, cool. So then we got some text and all this type of stuff. Now the hover over effect, I'm sure there's some JavaScript out there to make this happen. I'm not going to be able to go find it now and install it, but we'll continue on with some of this text stuff. What do we got? Ralph Lauren, it's a brand name. Brand name. Light gray. Smaller. A little bit of top margin. Not bold. Brand name. Product name. Product name. Shirt 1. Make you bold. Make you black. Get rid of the margin there. And we got our pricing. So let me think how best to do this. We will make the full color orange, text color a gray color, sure. Oops. All right, so 75.99, just for example, sure. 75 and was 99. Strike through, bold, cool. And we'll just, oops, clone all this stuff real quick. Brand name. Product name. Stuff's getting a little laggy here. Uh-oh. Shirt 2, shirt 3, shoes. Cool. Now, of course, if you had some super awesome photography, this would look a bit nicer. All right, so now I got a big old guy with a tie, or I guess this is a mannequin, but let's go ahead and actually I'm just going to duplicate this section, pop it on down here, and find a guy with a tie. See what this does. Hope we get a guy wearing a tie. Here's a guy wearing a tie. Alright, we'll go with this. Guy with tie. Well, gotta resize it anyway. File, open. Guy with tie. Image size, 1920. Crop you real quick. Guy with tie. Crop. Alright, file, save as. Guy with tie. Oh, thanks, James. Been doing it for a while, so it's yeah, probably got quite a few hours. I don't know if I have the 10,000 hour mark, but been building them for a lot of time. Actually, oh, what did I just do? Now I got distracted and now I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, here we go. Guy with tie, guy with tie. Now I try and do this like as fast as possible as well, so not sitting here watching me move things around pixel by pixel. So sometimes it is what it is. Guy with tie. All right, grab the CSS identifier. Settings. Height. 1000 pixels. Cool. Now what do they say over here? Savile Row, London. I guess that's where they're located. Either way, I'm going to pop this over here. And see. We'll move you to like the middle, 400. Yeah, I'm going to add some shadow to this text. Text shadow, strong shadow. Text shadow, strong shadow. Cool, now I can read it a little easier. Preview it, check it out in real time. So this orange part up here doesn't really flow nicely, but we can mess with that later on. Scrolling on down. Oh, I got some parallax stuff going on. That's kind of nifty. Okay, might need to change that. Scrolling on down. There's our cool products. Here's a guy with a tie. Let me turn off this parallax. Full width. Repeat. Full width, 100% width and height. Go that one. That looks good. Fill 100% width. Okay, columns. Second one. Fill 100% width. Columns, third one. Fill 100% width. Save. Scroll on down. All right, so they're stuck there now. Good deal. Yeah, with the tie. Now where are we? Oh, we got don't miss these. Actually, their menu stays at the top. Let's try and lock that in there. I think I can only lock in sections, I think. Stickiness, stick to top on scroll. See if we can make this work. Yep. Check it out. Boom. Oh, that's kind of interesting. All right, so we need to make this background white. White background. Cool. And I probably want to remove this. Add the padding to the yeah, cool. Might make a little bit of padding. 5, 5. And spend all day messing with paddings and margins. Oops. There we go. That looks fancy, man. Okay. Moving on. Where was I? Don't miss these. I already got this stuff going on. So let's clone this. Pop you down here. Add a little bit of margin. Don't miss these. Oops. And we got a 3-column row. Row, add row. 3-column. Oh, come on. Add row. 3-column. Oh, come on. ClickFunnels. Don't fail me now. Let's refresh. You've been working hard, so I'll give you a refresh. All right. Rows, add row. 3 columns. Okay, here we go. Boom. Make you 100. 0. Okay. So we got some more products. For the sake of time, we'll just use what we already have. Get over there. There we go. Shirt 2. Oh, come on. Shirt 2. We'll throw these shoes over here then. Boom. Oops. Brand name. Product name. Pricing. And shoes. There we go. Delete this one. Don't miss these. Cool. Don't miss these. Oh, then we got a little slider thing going on. Okay, so Let's do a 2-column row. Oops. Row, add row, 2 columns. Uh-oh. What are you doing right now? ClickFunnels. Shoot. Think I'm about to lose my don't miss these section or row. Ah, cool, I still got it. Okay. Row, add row, 2 column, drop you in here, building row. Okay, there we go. And what do we got? Some words and stuff and a button. Words and stuff and a button. Too easy. Words. Words. And more words. Just for the sake of time. Make you a gray color. Make you smaller. And we had a button. Let's see. Grab this button real quick. Come on down, come on down. Oh. Dang it. Fine, stay up there. Build a new button then. Basically, you can clone a 1-page site in a couple hours. Yes. Yeah, you can build stuff pretty fast. Yeah, ClickFunnels makes it easy with their sections, rows, and columns and elements to basically, clone like any page on the internet in an hour or two. Of course, you need like the nice, fine photography to make it look better than this. So the photography is part of it. You're also going to need, some good copy and your story and whatever else. But yeah, the actual like physical and technical like design and development of your page, you can do that, really quick. I mean, all things considered, like you don't have to hand code anything or anything like that. So ClickFunnels does make it nice and easy. All right, why do buttons? Except when it glitches out and won't add a button. There we go. I think this button should be black, white text. We will align you. Where's my alignment option? I am drawing a blank. Align, align, button align. Here we go. Shop now. Shop now. And I got some shoes scrolling through here. I have to go here in a couple minutes. I was going to go ahead and use this CF Pro Tools unslider script, which allows you to make a slider. So I was going to do that here, but we're running out of time. But it would let you, slide through shoes or images just like the example funnel or the example page. And I think that would look kind of cool. So James, do you have any last minute questions here at all? And I'll go ahead and finish this funnel off as well. So it'll be in the shared funnel section. If you go to crazyhourmarketing.com/FBW for Funnel Builder Wednesdays, I'll have the rest of the funnel built out once I get back, and should be by the end of the day. So if you want to import this funnel into your ClickFunnels account, you'll be able to do that. These look like cool fancy shoes. think they're women's shoes, but who knows. File open. All right, cool, man. I hope you have a good day, and yeah, good holidays. I won't be doing a live stream until after the holidays again. If you happen to stop in any ever again, yeah. So good holidays to you, and thanks for stopping in and asking questions. So I'm not sitting here talking to myself like some sort of weirdo. And yeah, thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Now I gotta figure out how to stop outputting.